Once again, good morning, everyone. Good morning, students. You don't want to wish me
Good
good
morning,
morning?
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. So, children, as you all know, that we have done many concepts in this. We have done conversion of liters and milliliters. We have learned about addition, subtraction, multiplication of units. You don't have much division part in your syllabus. Then you have a word problems related with the liters and milliliters, real life situation problems, and then today we will do the revision also. Probably I will take Monday, maybe you have a holiday, so probably I will take your CET on Tuesday. I will put it in the classroom, so please prepare yourself and do all the concepts which we have covered till now and related with this chapter. Okay, so as you know that we were doing about the measuring bottle. Is there any child who has completed the measuring bottle? Is there any child who has prepared the measuring bottle? No, not till now. My dear students, in my grade, when I was teaching in last year, many students have prepared and they were really interested and doing these activities. Why you children are not participating as such, please? Just a minute. Yes, so I was talking about the measuring bottle. When you children are going to show me the measuring bottle, and please turn on your camera, students. Kevyan, Divit, Dhyan Patel. Wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
If possible, I will show you the image of measuring bottle. So please keep this ready. You are getting the holidays tomorrow and maybe day after tomorrow also maybe your holiday. We will post in the classroom. So you have a holiday. Please either you make measuring jug, you can prepare measuring bottle, you can prepare measuring mug, anything. See, I'm going to present my screen and I'm going to show you. So is this visible? This page is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
See how many
Yes, ma'am.
measuring things are
Yes, ma'am.
made here. Measuring bottle, you can see here measuring jug. You see, this is measuring cup. This way you can also create your any measuring thing vessel. No, am I clear to you all? See, see this is also a measuring bottle. Please prepare. Okay. Now take out your textbook exercise. This page we were discussing that I have told you to do the activity. Many of you have done and wrote the names. No, I will move forward to this now. See, you can write the names also in the textbook and write in the textbook. You will not able to stick the pictures. So you can take the products, hold it in your hand and see the ml, how many ml and liter are these products. Write the name of the product one side and write the capacity on the another side. Am I clear and audible to you all?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay. When
ma'am.
I present the screen, I'll not able to see you all. So you need to turn on your mics and give me the answers. Now go to my measuring bottle. Have you seen a 1 liter water bottle? Collect a 1 liter bottle and some other small bottles. Guess how many times you have pour from each of the small bottles to fill the bottle, right? So suppose bottle one you are filling with the bottle one, which is of 100 ml. You here also take the different bottles and assume guess their capacity and measure their capacity and write them properly. This also the activity kind of thing. Go to the next. Ramu's measuring bottle. This also we have discussed. Now I will go to the next page number. Neetu. Neetu in hospital. Neetu has to take 3 injections in a day for 5 days. How much medicine will she need for one day? See, 3 injections in a day, right? For 5 days में कितनी लेगी? So it's a case of a multiplication. How much? So this is the answer given. How much medicine will she need for one day? Am I audible and clearly
Yes,
visible?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So if you want to write the answer in the textbook, write the answers in the textbook itself. 3 multiplied by 5, it will be 15 ml of a medicine. Next question. How much medicine in all for 5 days? So here the second case is 15 ml for one day. And how much for 5 days? So 15 multiplied by 5,
75.
75.
75.
Yes. Now go to next. How much do we see at a time? Eye drops. We use less than 1 milliliter at a time. एक एक ड्रॉप ही डालते हैं ना आईज में. Yes or no, students? Yes or no?
Yes,
Eyes में we
yes,
use
ma'am.
one, and that
Yes, ma'am.
one drop is approximately 1 milliliter. Okay, not more than this. ज़्यादा नहीं डालते हैं. So you need to guess the things, how much you are going to put it in your eyes, or like for example cough syrup की जो bottle होती है, if you have observed, मम्मा देती है कई बार आपको जब कफ कोल्ड हो जाता है, तो कैन यू गेस वो बॉटल कितने ml की होती है? या लीटर्स में तो नहीं होगी ना बॉटल? यस. सो इट विल बी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 10 to 15 ml. और मम्मा आपको जब देती है कफ सिरप बॉटल, तो मोर देन 35-50 ml की होती है बॉटल. बट हाउ मच योर मम्मा इज गिविंग टू यू? कितना देती है, कितना यूज करती है वो आपके लिए?
Ma'am, 5
5
to
ml,
7 ml.
5 ml, 7 ml, 10 ml, right?
5 to 10.
Depend on the doctor, how much doctor is prescribing. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now next other thing, water आप at a time कितना पी लेते हो? मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम, एक समय पे, एक टाइम पे.
Ma'am, 500 milliliter.
Is there any
300 milliliter.
okay? Is there any child who drinking 1 liter or 2 liter at a time?
I'm not at that time. No, mother gives 5. I sometimes drink 100.
100 ml.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So this is according to you. You can write your own answers. Next, list things we use more than 1 liter at a time. कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिसके लिए हम पानी we use the water more than 1 liter? Tell the activities.
And for washing clothes. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, for cooking. Washing utensils.
Sorry, I also forgot my class rules. I always suggest you to raise your virtual hand. So raise your virtual hand. I will give you a chance to speak. Yes, Moksha.
Ma'am, for washing utensils.
Very good. Dhyan Patel.
For bathing.
Bathing. Yes, Manya.
No, ma'am, I smoke shed for washing
तो आप
utensils.
और भी बोल सकते हो. बाथिंग और अभी यूटेंसिल्स दो ही एक्टिविटीज हुई है.
Yes, ma'am.
और
Ma'am, for washing clothes also.
clothes also.
Ma'am,
And
for
yes,
making
Vedant.
food.
Yes, for making food. Yes, Vedant.
For drinking water.
Cooking, drinking, and you know
Ma'am,
plants किसके घर में है?
ma'am, for washing cars. Ma'am, for washing cars.
Washing car. So you have seen in my you have seen here
Ma'am,
on my desktop, right?
For drinking. Ma'am, I can say one.
For
For
drinking
drinking.
इतना पानी नहीं यूज होता है. ड्रिंकिंग में
Ma'am,
मैक्सिमम आई एम
I
टेलिंग
can say.
more than 1 liter. Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, we can drink 1 liter, for cleaning home.
For cleaning, washing, cooking, bathing. Yes, Sushi.
Ma'am, watering the plants.
Watering the plants, washing the car. Yes or no?
Ma'am, we have to wash the whole house.
Yes. Wash the whole house.
Ma'am,
Okay,
we
move
can
forward.
drink 1 liter or 2 liter in a day, but not by itself.
At a time. Yes, not at a time. Sorry. So this was the activity: water for cleaning clothes, water for washing utensils, water for washing car. So please fill this after the class, these page numbers which we are discussing right now. Now go to the next page. Practice 9. Amina water bottle holds 1 liter of water. She drank 250 ml of water and her friend Govind drank 150 ml. How much water is left in the bottle? So which operation you will apply here, students?
Ma'am,
Raise the virtual
subtraction.
hand. Subtraction. So please solve these questions in your notebook after the class, because in the textbook you don't have space. Tick on that page number 78. Do these practice question in your homework today. And write the sign only in the bracket that you need to do subtraction. So from 250 ml, if you subtract 150 ml, who will give the answer? What is the answer? Yes, Grant. Grant, give me the answer. Yes, Viva. Give me the answer.
100 ml.
Excellent. Got it? So this way I will present my screen and show you how to write the statement. Total water holds in a bottle is 1 liter, 1000 milliliter. Total water they drank equals to total water by Amina plus water by Govind. So they both drank 250 plus 150. Yes. So they total drank 400 ml and the total was in the bottle was 1000 ml. So from 1000 when you subtract the 400 you will get the 600 ml is the remaining water in the bottle now. Got it? This was like this. We have done no yesterday in the Google form one question that in a tank the water was 5000 ml and another one child drank 3000, another 2000. So total is 5000 is already drank. How much is remaining? Got it? This way we have done, no? From the 10,000, if you subtract 5,000, the remaining will be 5,000. So this is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
same.
It was second or third question.
Third question in the Google form. Yes.
No, ma'am, in there was a tank installed in petrol pump.
My dear, the language can be different, but the concept is same. एक जैसे क्वेश्चन तो नहीं आएंगे ना मोक्ष, है ना? Got it? The language, the statement,
And then subtraction.
yeah, it was related to petrol, and but this is related with water. Concept is same, na? Here also you are doing the same thing. First you are adding and then subtracting from the bigger unit.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
go to the next question about the Yusuf. Yusuf runs a tea shop. For making a glass of tea, he uses 20 ml of milk. Yesterday he made 100 glasses of tea. How much milk did he use? So we have to use, it's given for one tea glass and now you need to find for 100 tea glasses. So 20 multiplied by 100 is, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 2000.
2000.
2000 ml.
2000.
Let me check the attendance for a minute.
2000.
Ma'am, 2 liter.
2000
2
milliliter.
liter or 2000 ml.
Very good. Let me take the attendance. Okay, done. So 2000 ml or 2 liter. Go next. Radha grandma was ill. The doctor gave her a bottle with 200 milliliter of medicine. She has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. 200 ml she is taking every day and she is taking for 10 days. So how much, can you guess how much total medicine she is taking in total 10 days?
Ma'am, 400.
No. 200 in one day for 10 days. 200 by 10.
Ma'am, 2000. Ma'am,
Yes.
20,000. Ma'am,
How 20,000 bacha?
ma'am, it's 2000. Ma'am, 20,100. Ma'am, sorry.
Yes.
Ma'am, sorry, 2000. 2000.
But it is saying now read here. Okay, now it is saying it
2000.
is the doctor gave her a bottle. ये पूरी bottle थी बच्चा जो उसको पूरे 10 days में complete करनी है. तो one day में how much she will taking? Now the concept of division is coming.
Ma'am, then it will be 20.
Then it will be 20. 200 divided by 10, it will be 20. So one day mein she will take 20 ml. Because the complete bottle is because the complete bottle is of 200 ml. अब उसको एक एक दिन में सिर्फ 10 ml 10 ml लेना है. So how much? Sorry. Now that bottle she needs to complete in 10 days. So she is taking 20 ml per day. Go to the next. Water. The table shows the water used in one day by a family of 5 people. Cooking and drinking, they are using liters. So if we see, wait, I will first explain you this table. The cooking and drinking, they're using 30 liter. For washing, they're using 40 liters. For cleaning pots and pans, 20 liter, and for bathing, 75 liter. So how much total they are using? What you will do in this case? Who is this child saying ma'am, singing in my class?
Ma'am, you are talking.
I'm not stuck. Am I audible, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, you are talking.
Anay, you facing some network issue, bacha? Am I clearly audible, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are clearly audible.
Thank you.
Hello,
So
ma'am. Can I
children,
give the answer of this?
yeah. So
Ma'am,
wait,
can I
wait,
give
wait.
the answer?
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Let me explain the concept first.
Okay.
Then you give the
I
answer.
will.
So here they are saying how much total water they are using. So you need to add them. In liters and milliliters, we have already learned about the addition. Students, tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
When you add 30
Yes,
plus 40 plus 20 plus 75 is how many liters?
One
Ma'am,
hundred
165 liters.
165 liters.
Okay, go to the next. Now this table you have to fill according to you. How many liters of water does your family use in a day? This is about your family. So these are the activities with three of you given. Two you can fill by your own in your textbook and write. They are using in liter. First you write in buckets. So can you guess in one bucket how much? If it is a big bucket, this much size bucket. So how much water will come in that bucket? Wait, I will also show you a bucket. Wait a
Ma'am,
minute. Wait a minute,
1
student.
liter. Ma'am, 5 liter. Ma'am, 5 liter.
Wait a minute, I will show you bucket. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
See what is in my hand? Wait. What is in my hand? Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you guess how much water will come in this bucket? Because you
Ma'am,
know there are different.
Ma'am, 1 liter.
1 liter, no.
Ma'am, 1 to 5
Ma'am, 10 to 15 liters.
10
Between
liter.
5 to 10 liters. Okay. And the capacity of buckets, the capacity of water tanks, this you must learn. This way you will learn how to guess the capacity of different things, right? There can be a water cans also. When you go to buy water cans, Bisleri water cans, they also come in different capacity, 500 ml or 10 liters, right? So wait, now I present my screen.
Hello, ma'am.
Wait, I want to show you one more bucket. Yes, this is also one more big bucket. Can you all guess how much water will come in this
Ma'am,
bucket?
16 liters.
No.
Ma'am, 15 to
Ma'am,
20. Ma'am, 15 to 20.
15 to 20.
15 to 20.
Yes.
Ma'am, 15 to 20.
15 to 20 liters of water come in this bucket. because approximately 5 liters will be this much capacity they take, around 15 to 20. Got it?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to show you something.
Wait a minute, bacha. Let me complete this. So the first you see the two buckets if you are using for drinking, cooking and drinking. So it can be 10 liter. It's just guessing answers. Not compulsory if I am telling you to write 20 liter. No. You write your answers here. Okay. So now I move forward to the next concept. Place your liter jar below the leaking tap so as to catch all the drops in the bottle. After 1 hour, check how much water is in the bottle. Find out how much water is wasted in a day. Sometimes घर में क्या हो रहा है students? Many of the houses, if you see, the water tap is leaking. होता है कि नहीं? कई बार हो जाता है घर में कि जो water tap है, tap you know what? What is tap?
Ma'am,
Who will tell me?
tap, no.
हाँ.
What? Tap.
Ma'am, tap,
Yes.
right? Tap
Yes.
means the null, we call in Hindi null. We open and
Yes.
wash our hands.
Yes, you open and wash your hands. Wait, just a minute.
Hello, ma'am, I want to show you something.
So, sometime what Moksha said, I will listen to you. Wait a minute. So, sometimes students, what happen कि tap में कई बार वो leak होता है. Yes, because of the screw is loose or something in the tap is loose and the water started leaking. So this is also your activity what you do if in your if I'm saying if means अगर आपके घर में ऐसा कोई नल लीक हो रहा है तो what you do, try this activity, take any bucket, any water bottle, anything and put it under it, उसके नीचे रख दो, right? अब पूरे 1-2 घंटे के बाद उसको चेक करो. तेज कुमार, let me explain. 1 आवर और 2 आवर्स के बाद उसको चेक करो कि बकेट में कितना पानी भर गया. सो देन मेजर इट इन योर मेजरिंग बॉटल विच यू विल प्रिपेयर. आप जो मेजरिंग बॉटल बनाओगे ना, उस वाटर को उस मेजरिंग बॉटल में डाल के देखना कि कितना वाटर आपने एक दिन में वेस्ट किया है. सपोज one measuring the quantity of water leaked after 1 hour, I found it as 1 liter. मैंने मेजर किया कि मेरे घर में जब लीक हो रहा था तो आई मेजर द वाटर इज 1 लीटर. मैंने 1 घंटे के बाद चेक किया, सो आई मेजर दैट वाटर इज 1 लीटर 1 घंटे में. तो 24 आवर्स में कितना वाटर मेरा वेस्ट हो रहा है? 24 liters, because in a one day there are 24 hours in one day. So 1 liter in 1 hour to 24 liters in 24 hours. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
how
ma'am.
much will be in 7 days? Can you guess and tell me?
Ma'am, 7 liter.
24 liters in one day, because 1 liter in 1 hour. 24 liters in 24 hours. So
Excuse
24.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
24 into 7.
Yes. Find what is 24 into 7.
Hello, ma'am, 168.
100.
68.
Check. Yes. This is just my
Yes.
guessing answers I'm giving you. You please practically try this. Take the water. See after 1 hour it is collecting how much. Maybe some children collecting only 500 ml. Then their answer will be different. Maybe some collecting 2 liters in 1 hour. Their answer will be different. So just practically try this and then write the answers. This is the
Ma'am, I have
concept
did
of
it.
multiplication they are showing you. Okay. Yes, Grant, what are you saying?
I have did it for 2 hours.
You did practically?
Yes.
When you did this? Before the class?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, we have to write 3 or 2 sums in notebook, textbook 1.
which you have to write the practice time, all the three sums. Then you write, do this activity which is drop. Okay. जो भी आपको लगता है स्पेस बुक के अंदर नहीं है, डू ऑल दैट क्वेश्चंस इन योर नोटबुक. यस मोक्षा, you were
Hello,
telling me
ma'am.
you want to say me.
Hello, ma'am. What did you say? Because I can't hear you for some time.
Whichever the question you feel that you don't have space in your textbook, do it in the notebook. And you were trying to show me something from the beginning.
Yes, ma'am. I was showing you this bucket.
Very nice. Let me pin you and show. Can anyone guess how much this? It is the same, I think, capacity, right?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it is
10 liter.
4
No,
liter.
more than 10 liter.
Ma'am,
10
50
to
liter.
Ma'am, 10 to 15
20
liters.
yeah, 10 to
Hello,
15.
ma'am. The total capacity is 16 liters.
It's written there on the sticker.
Yes, ma'am. Here is marking.
Yeah. So yes, Manya, what you were trying to tell me?
Ma'am, I wanted to say the answer.
Which one
Excuse me, ma'am.
24 multiplied by 7.
is what?
168.
Yes. Yes, Vishrut.
Ma'am, I want to show you the geyser that you can guess how many liters are there in it.
Yeah, please show us.
Yes, ma'am. I joined from mobile.
Okay. By the time I explain the another thing, you please be ready. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, students. So as we were discussing this, so please try this practically and then write the answer. So they are telling that in 7 days they are
Ma'am?
wasting 168. Yes.
Ma'am,
Somebody
I have
told
joined
me,
from
ma'am.
mobile.
Okay. Are you ready, Vishnu?
Yes, ma'am. How many liters are there in this one?
Okay, very good. He is showing this geyser. So can anyone guess how many liters of water is in this geyser?
Ma'am, 1 to 50.
4 liters.
Ma'am,
You
1
can,
to
Ma'am,
50.
ma'am, 6
Tej
liters.
Kumar, wait, Tej Kumar, you cannot say
Ma'am,
1 to
20.
15 liter. This is not the guessing.
Ma'am, 1 to 5.
No, it is more than 10 liters.
Ma'am, 15
Yes,
liters. No, ma'am, it is
15 liters.
yes.
15 liters. Yes,
Ma'am, it is not more than 10 liters. It is only 6 liters.
it is only 6 liter. Okay,
Yes.
very good.
Ma'am, I told 6
Thank you, ma'am.
liters.
Okay. Now, as we were doing this, in now they are saying in 7 days if we are wasting 160 liters, so in 1 month how much we waste? So 24 multiplied by 30 we will do. Now if one sorry, in 1 month if we are using 720 liters, so how much we are wasting in 12 months? So this is the calculation. So go so on related with the multiplication. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now go to the next question. Yes.
Ma'am, I will show. Ma'am, water, ma'am.
Wait.
What did you say? Because here is raining. So.
I
Ma'am.
said that, wait a minute. I said that when you are able to find out for 1 month, 24 you have first you have find out for 7 days. 24 multiplied by 7. Then you got for 7 days. If you wasting in 1 day 24, how much you waste in 1 month? Multiply by 30. Right? How much you waste in 12 months in a 1 year? Then multiply by 12. So they are making you, the main concept is to make you understand the multiplication concept. So the basic concept is they are going to explain you about the multiplication concept with these activity problems. Clear? Yes, someone was telling me ma'am in between. Which child was that? Tej Kumar, you were telling me something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when we will run division Multiplication, division of capacity.
Division, you don't have much, but I will explain you maybe in the next class, but you don't have much division part in your syllabus. Okay.
Ma'am, I will show
What?
ma'am that filter.
Okay.
How many liters?
Okay.
Wait.
Ma'am,
Be ready. Yes, Kashvi.
I want to show you something. Can you find how much liter it is?
Okay. I find, or you
Ma'am,
ask
wait,
from
in
your friends.
some
Don't ask from me. Yes, Divit is ready, students. Please pin Divit, and he is showing you the filter. Please guess how much liter, what capacity of this?
Ma'am, 5 to 10 liters.
5 liters.
5 liters.
Yes.
Ma'am, 5 to 10.
Divit,
No,
what is the
ma'am.
capacity? You tell us the answer now.
Ma'am, it is a more than 10 liters.
Okay. Yes, Kavisha, you were trying to tell us something. Show us something.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
after
I've
Kashvi,
done
may I
some.
tell the liters?
Wait. Kashvi, yes, please show us.
Ma'am, how many liter is this?
10 to 15. Any other child? Guess, please,
Ma'am,
student. This is
10
for
to
you, not for
15.
me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I will say
20
it is a
to
20
50.
liter.
How much liter,
20
Kashvi, the
liter.
capacity is?
Excuse me, ma'am. Liters.
How much?
16 liters.
16 liters. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vishru.
Ma'am, the geyser that Kashvi showed, that was gas geyser, not a water geyser.
Can be
Ma'am, may
any.
I
Everyone
show
has
one
the
thing?
Ma'am,
capacity,
Can you
no?
guess the
it
liter?
was water
Wait,
geyser.
wait. It is a gas laser. Okay. I have not
No,
noticed that.
ma'am, it is a water geyser. Ma'am, in gas geyser there are orange pipeline connected with gas pipeline.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Let's listen.
Ma'am, may I show one thing? Can you guess the liter?
Yes, tell me, Danya.
Ma'am, can you guess the how many liters there will be?
You can give us the bucket example also. Why everyone is going to geyser? Okay.
Ma'am, 10 to 15.
Then I think it is 20 liter.
20
20
liters.
Ma'am,
to 30.
20.
20.
20 liter.
Yes,
Ma'am, 20.
Okay, now students, move to the next one.
Ma'am, it's 50 liter.
Let me complete this last topic now. Chelanur village has a milk society. Geeta and the Amini, wait, I'm not able. Yeah, Amini went there to buy 4 liters of milk, but the man could not find the 1 liter measure. He had only a 3 liter and a 5 liter bottle with him, but he gave them exactly 4 liter of milk. Explain how. कैसे किया होगा उसने पहले anyone explain me. उसके पास 1 liter का नहीं था measurement. He was having only a 3 liter and a 5 liter measurement. So how he has given the 4 liter of milk to them? This is also guessing answer. Can anyone explain me how with your own ideas? Suppose you, yes, Manya.
Yes, ma'am. First, he gave her 3 liters, and then from the 3 liter, from half, he gave 1 liter.
From the 3 liter, then half will be 1.5 liter.
No, ma'am. Just the half,
Third part. Okay.
third
Three
part.
part. Okay.
One.
1/3. Yes, Tej Kumar, please explain.
Ma'am, he can, yeah, first he take 5 liter bucket or that thing and he minus 1 liter.
First, how minus? कैसे किया होगा उसने minus? Vedant, I know. Tell me. Okay, you guess your answers. Okay, And students, today I am sending you a
Ma'am,
Google
he
form.
has 1 liter mug or anything. So
No,
he
he
just
is not
puts a
having
1
a
liter
1
milk
liter.
and it's.
See, I am giving you answer. The man first measured 5 liter and then took out 3 liters such that 5 minus 3 is 2 liter. है ना? उसके पास 5 और 3 लीटर का तो है. पहले उसने 5 लीटर डाल दिया, देन उसमें से 3 लीटर उसने निकाल दिया, तो रिमेनिंग कितना हो गया? 2 लीटर.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way he do the procedure for another 2 liters. Same process was repeat to get the another 2 liters of milk. In this way, he is able to give them the exactly 4 liters of milk to them. First he put 5 liters, then take out the 3 liters back from that, because 3 liters का भी उसके पास है. So remaining उसके अंदर अब 2 liters बचेगा. Same way, what he will do, again put the 5 liter and take out the 3 liters. So अब exactly 4 liters milk will be with them. Got it, students? This is the idea and the trick. What up? Yes? You can also find such ideas and tricks that, ma'am, I have this much liters of measuring glasses, but I don't have this. How to do? How to manage? Right? These are the managing situation where you manage with this situation. कि कैसे cover up करें? Got it? So, children, today I am going to send you the Google form based on the revision which we have done till now, addition, subtraction, multiplication, conversion, right? So please prepare yourself for CT on Tuesday. Got it? And do in the Google form, write
And
only
which
the final answer, but do it in the notebook. Attach your notebook work. I will check the notebook and I will revert you the way we have done yesterday. Got it, students? Thank you.
That means you have to not
I got,
means
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Wait, Moksha.